You are looking for a budget keyboard, but you're stuck between 65% and 70%. Kasi important yung ROP sa inyo. Well, in this video, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang best choices para sa 65 and sa 70% keyboard. I have here an RK71 and an RK68. So, bago natin compare lahat ng differences ng dalawa, unbox muna natin tong RK837 or RK68 and then proceed na tayo sa comparison between the two. Okay. So ito, actually nagamit ko na. So the unboxing experience is always the same with the other RK keyboards. So you have the cover of the keyboard. So ayan, nilipat ko na yung keycaps, wooden keycaps. And then you have the manual, Chinese manual. And then over here, the keycap puller, which is hindi maganda kasi magagusgas yung keycaps niya dito. And the USB cable Type-C, which has nothing very special about it, but it's always nice to have this Velcro strap. And wala nang iba. Hindi siya braided or anything. Pero it's fairly thick para hindi agad masira yung cable. So, wala nang iba, yun lang. No nothing, no everything, no ano. Okay, so now napakita ko na sa inyo yung physical appearance, yung difference nila physically. Ngayon, pasok naman tayo sa difference nila sa specs. Okay, so sa RK71. RK71 is 1,000 mAh ang battery. So RK837 naman, 3,150 mAh yung battery. Okay? So RK71 Bluetooth connection is only Bluetooth 3.0. Okay? Sa RK837 naman, ang connection ng Bluetooth niya is 5.1, which is, syempre, mas lamang sa 3.0 kasi Bluetooth 5.1 is performing efficiently compared sa 3.0. So, you are gonna get the most out of the 3,150 mAh of battery. So, mas mahaba mo siya magagamit wirelessly. So, sa 150 pesos na price difference, so mas mahal ng konti yung RK837. I suggest dun ka na sa RK837 kasi syempre mas advanced yung feature niya, yung Bluetooth connection niya, which is 5.1. Tapos mas malakas pa yung battery, which is 3,150 mAh. So, napalaki ng difference no, compared sa dalawa. Pero kung gusto mo yung aesthetic ng RK71 dahil sa RGB niya sa side panel, why not? Diba? Yun lang naman yung difference nilang dalawa, wala na masyado. Since konti lang naman yung features ang meron sa isang keyboard. Unless bibili ka ng sobrang mahal talaga ng keyboard, mga pang high-end. Nandito lang tayo sa entry level. So guys, yun lang naman yung difference nilang dalawa. Let me know in the comments kung ano gusto nyo pa makita. At well, yun lang. Subscribe and like. Hit the smash button. Nakikigaya na ako. Yun lang. See you in the next one.